Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, soon to be home decor, kind of a bunch of fun videos on my channel. I've been making videos since April and I'm super excited with how much my channel's grown, and I would love for you to subscribe and join all the fun. So I'm doing my June favorites. I did a May favorites last month and that seemed to do pretty well, and so I have a couple of things that I have been loving this month and things that I've mentioned in my previous videos that I just want to reiterate on because I have really been loving them. Go ahead and get started with my first favorite. Alright, so the purse that I have been using this whole month is this one. It is a Rebecca Minkoff purse, and I forget the exact name of the type of purse it is, but it is in the brown snake print. I bought this for myself for my birthday back in February. Kind of just wanted to splurge a little bit on my birthday because I just turned 25, but it's designer, but it's more affordable. You know, it's not in the thousands range. So it's a little bit more affordable if you do want to buy yourself like a designer piece or something that is more on the designer side that's going to last you a long time. I just love that this goes with everything. I've been using it a lot. Normally I would only use this for special occasions, but I've just been lazy and didn't want to take my stuff out of it yet, so I've been using it on the regular. But it just has this cute gold detailing, and there's actually a lot of space. My stuff's in there right now, but there's actually a lot of pocket room, and it's just a really good size bag. So I've really been loving how this one has been for this month. Alright, with living in Texas like I do, the sun is just hot all the time in the summer. You can't escape it. It's just always there. So sunscreen is pretty much a must. This one is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist. I'm pretty sure the packaging looks a little bit different for this now because I bought this one last year and it doesn't have this handle spray. But what I love about this, it's not greasy feeling. I actually found this out from J-Lo's makeup artist. He was doing someone like Kim Kardashian, someone's makeup on YouTube, and they filmed it and posted it, and I watched the video and they talked about how much they loved this stuff. So I went out and bought it, and I have to agree, this is pretty great. This is the SPF 30, but I know that they have higher SPFs also. It gives you a nice glow while also protecting your skin. It kind of just gives you that nice summery glow vibe, which is what I'm going for obviously with this summer. So definitely check this out if you want a really good and affordable SPF. Literally this is from Walmart, anywhere that sells the Neutrogena SPF products, you can get it there. Alright, I've been talking about these non-stop in all of my past videos, my makeup tutorials, the Glossier Cloud Paint. I know I'm not the only one who uses them. This one's kind of been peeling up though, which is annoying because I just got it, but I have been loving their cloud paints. So I bought two. I bought in Beam and Storm. So Storm is a deep berry color, and then Beam is a peachy color. And then when I bought them, I also got 2 free samples of Dawn and Dusk. So I haven't tried Dawn. Dawn is a really bright red color. Kind of scares me a little bit. But I have tried Dusk, and it's kind of a nudier peach, a little bit more brown toned peach. Love it. So I think I'm gonna buy an actual size of that one. Haven't tried the red yet because it kind of intimidates me a little bit. So, and there's also like a rosy pink color that I think I might get also. You can get them in like a duo, so it's cheaper if you do that. And you get to try them out, and then you get some more free samples, which I love. So I've been loving these. Go ahead and click and watch my summer makeup tutorial, which is what I have on now. And I have on actually a couple, the rest of the products I'm going to show you is pretty much from that tutorial because I've just been loving them and wearing them non-stop. So go check them out and let me know what you think. Lip products that I have been loving. These were both in my summer tutorial that I just posted, my Sunkissed summer tutorial, and this is the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Nude, and then the NYX butter gloss. I actually picked up the butter gloss. This is in the color Fortune Cookie because of a TikTok this girl made saying like, y'all gotta try out the Fortune Cookie, it's bomb. And I have to agree, the shade, the color, everything is the bomb.com. I put these two on together. So I put on this nude lip liner and then I put the gloss on top, and it is wonderful. So if you're looking for a really cute nude lip combo, like I'm pretty tan skin right now from laying out in the summer. So I don't want anything that's gonna be like lighter than my skin tone, but I don't want anything kind of like rosy pink tone. So these are perfect for me. So if you're similar to my skin tone, maybe go check it out. Okay, so on days that I wear makeup, which is a couple times a week, I have been using the Elastin. This is the Hydrotech Pro Mineral Tinted Moisturizer in SPF 36. It's what I have on now. Wonderful, you guys. Like, I have never loved something more than I've loved this. I'm not a girl either to wear makeup every single day because, especially when it's humid out, I can feel myself breaking out when I have makeup on, and the humidity, I'm just like, oh, it's like the worst feeling in the world. And if you have acne prone skin and you live somewhere that's humid, then you know what I'm talking about. This, I don't get that way. I'm wearing it now. It's literally 90% humidity today because it's been raining, and I don't get that feeling. I wore this when I went and floated the river and it was raining the next day, wore it again. Like, I just don't feel that cakiness that I get on this, and it is on the pricier side. It's like $50. A lot of big YouTubers though have coupon codes. So I'll leave the coupon code below that I used to get a discount for this, and it was like $40 instead, so it's a little bit more reasonable. So please go check this out if you want a good SPF tinted moisturizer. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. Last makeup product is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the Highlight Soft and Gentle, and I've had this for a really long time. Just now it hit the bottom. It's just such a pretty highlight, and it's like very soft. I have it on now. I also have the Anastasia highlight like quad, and I like it, but I feel like it's such a harsh highlighter. Like, if I'm looking for that dramatic glam look, then that's perfect. I feel like this is soft, blendable. It doesn't make it look like I have a streak of highlight. Like, it looks like it's blended into my skin, which I love that look. So I've been really loving this, along with that Elastin Cloud Paint. Those three are the only things I wear on my face. And I put like some bronzer or like a peachy like blush and just like do it in my crease and some mascara. Good to go. Alright, the last thing I'm talking about are these gold hoops. I actually just got my double piercing, and I've been loving just these like chunky like 90s style gold hoops. I got these actually from an antique store, and they were only $20 because I wanted them cheaper than some of the higher end ones that I've been seeing and loving. So when I found these in an antique store, I was sold on them. I'll have a link below some of the ones I've been looking at online that are just a little bit more expensive and I didn't want to spend the money on yet. But if you are looking for some kind of chunkier, smaller gold hoops, then go check them out. Alright y'all, thanks so much for watching my June favorites. Once again, hit subscribe if you want to see more videos. I really want to get into home decor because that's really what I've been loving and getting into. And I actually just got a new dresser, which I'm super excited about, but I'm gonna wait and show you guys that in a different video when I have things more decorated and I make like an actual home tour video. So look out for that, hit subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye.